gold, silver, and bronze output?
On all medals.
Wow.
All medals.
Sir, what makes you so confident about that?
Yeah, with this preparation and with the condition of the athletes, nag-level up na yung training natin, nag-level up na rin yung mga atleta natin. So, sigurado yun. Mag-deliver tayo.
Sir, can you name the sports where you expect to be?
Of course, nandiyan ang gymnastics, boxing, baka may surprises pa sa iba like rowing, weightlifting. That's it. That's it.
For our other sports
Then
events,
crossover yung mga nutritionists sa PT.
yeah, they're
Diba?
comparing.
Yeah, so
Yeah. It's nice.
crossover lahat. So, napaka-importante talaga.
Sir, I know that takes a lot of money, but do you think we will be able to do that in the succeeding games, like you say, Asian
Actually, it
Games?
was my first plan sa Tokyo. Kaya lang hindi allowed dahil sa bubble and COVID.
Yeah.
COVID and bubble. Nasa ano ko na yun? Nasa radar ko na yun.
So we can expect that same kind of concept for succeeding big international tournaments.
Mabigat sa SEA Games, maybe Asian Games. Mabigat sa SEA Games at Asian Games. Kasi malaking delegation.